Hey there, this is Brian from the GuitarFactoryOC.com, and today I'm going to break down a really easy beginner version of Hotel California so you can start playing it today. Let's break it down. Okay, in this version, you're going to be getting, like I said, a very easy approach to it. So I know in the original song, there's a lot of intricate picking going on, multiple guitar layers going on, but in this one, it's going to be for you beginners that want to start playing this song today. As you advance, definitely look up the original one and learn all the parts. It's a great exercise as you start getting better at guitar. So in this video, I'm going to give you the picking pattern that's going to be nice and easy, the chords you need for the verse and the chorus, and a simple strumming pattern for the chorus, and that's all the song really is. There won't be any bar chords in here, so I made it really easy for you guys. Included in this video, in the description below, I have a free PDF download so you could follow along with the chord order and the structure of the song. All right, to begin the song, we're gonna put the capo on the 7th fret. And one recommendation, putting the capo up that high, do your tuning again with the capo on, actually. Of course, the note names will be different, but just double check your tuner with the strings, all 6 of them, when your capo is on. It will give you some fine tuning. All right, so the chords we're gonna need for this song, there's only 7 of them, and they're basic ones you should know already, no bar chords. E minor, B7, D sus2, A7, C, a G, and an A minor 7. Okay. Some of these more extended ones like the sus2 and the minor 7 sound more intimidating, but they're really just the same basic chords with maybe a missing finger, so they're actually easier than a normal A minor. It's only got 2 fingers. Same with that D sus2, it's only got 2 on there. But those are the 7 we need for the entire song. Let's get into how we're gonna do the picking pattern now for the verses and the intro. Okay, so the simplified picking pattern for all of the chords is gonna be like this. Break that down for you. I'll take you through all the chords in a second. We'll use the E minor for the practice of this picking pattern. So we're going to strum the E minor all the way across, and then we're going to do the D string by itself, the G by itself, the B by itself, and then just come backwards. Back to the G, to the D, and then we're going to go back down to the G again, and then I strum the last 2 together, the B and the E. That's all it is. Down and up, and then back down again. D, G, B, G, D, G, D, and E together. That's it. So strum the chord first always, then, and we'll do that for every chord. The next chord is the B7. Exact same strings. D sus2. A7. The C, the G, the A minor, and the B7. And that is the order of the chords and the picking pattern you can go through for the whole intro and the verses like that. In the chorus, we're gonna now start doing just a strumming pattern altogether, not doing the individual picking. So the pattern that we're gonna use for the whole chorus, and I'll break down the chords in a second, the order of them, but we'll use the C for the practice of strumming. It's gonna be like this. And what that is down, up, 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 down, down. Okay, I'll play it a couple times, loop it, play it with me. Down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. And that's all we do for every chord of the chorus like that. Welcome to the Hotel California. Okay, that is the pattern through that. Now the next chord is going to be the G, same pattern. B7. E minor, C, G, A minor, and B7. And that's the whole chorus with that strumming pattern and that chord order. Hey, if you're enjoying my videos, please go ahead and click like, subscribe to the channel. Also, love hearing from you guys, so put a comment below. Tell me what you're thinking or any song requests. Do you want to get better at your guitar playing? Head over to theguitarfactoryoc.com. I've created a bunch of courses for beginners and intermediate players. I have some challenges, games, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out. You can actually go to the link in the description below and get access to your free quick start course today.